Today I'm about to learn a new process. I'm going to 3D scan the floor of this car and use it in CAD to make a new floor pan to go in there to put the pedals on. Let's get to it. All right, this is the scanner. I'm just working it across the floorboard, trying to get each one of these little dimples and divots, holes where it goes up and down on elevation. This over here is the computer. That's creating the 3D mesh file. And this is the file that I will put into Fusion 360. I already have the floor pan in there that I started working on, so I'm going to get to mesh it up to this. Here it is right here. This, all these little triangles here, that's all the data from the 3D scanner. And this gray part here, that's the floor pan that I was already designing. You'll see, I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. I'm going to pull this floor pan that I built up off of here. And then you can really see the all of the divots underneath, everything that I'm trying to work with. I have to match up all the bolt holes, um, anywhere where there's any kind of slope or anything that I have to work around in the floor pan. I kind of work that out. Otherwise I would have had to make, you know, prototypes and keep test fitting them back and forth, back and forth. Like when I lower this down here, you can see right away where, let me show you this part over here. This is actually sticking through the floor. So that's going to have to be cut away, and I can cut exactly to the radius of the floor and get it to match up perfectly. I can even flange it out and get a bolt hole anywhere I want to put it. Um, see where the triangles are kind of going over the top of that there. That's where there's a collision. So I can clean all that up in here instead of having to make prototype, test fit, prototype, etc.